Welcome to this modern minimalist home, a perfect blend of elegance and nature. The unique symmetrical roof design gives a futuristic yet cozy look. As we move closer, the front porch welcomes us with a cozy atmosphere. This space is designed as a relaxing corner to enjoy the fresh air, featuring minimalist wooden chairs and lush green plants that enhance the ambience. Stepping inside, we are greeted by a spacious open-concept living room. Large windows allow natural light to flood the space, creating a bright and airy feel. The kitchen and dining area are designed for high functionality, without compromising aesthetics. Upstairs, the master bedroom offers breathtaking views of the surrounding nature. With its minimalist design and wooden accents, this room is the perfect retreat for rest and relaxation. The bathroom embraces a modern yet natural concept. Stone walls and a large glass enclosure create a spa-like atmosphere, making it the perfect place to unwind after a long day. Stepping outside, we find a beautifully landscaped backyard. This open space is designed for relaxation and gatherings, featuring wooden benches, stone pathways, and garden lighting that creates a magical atmosphere in the evening.